Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a complete tour of the software Converzee and we'll show you how can you use the tools inside it. So here's the login screen. From here, once you log in, it will take you to a dashboard. So in this dashboard, they have mentioned three different steps that you'll have to follow to start creating your own campaign. So first that you'll have to do is to do the domain setup. So I'll click on domain setup over here. So I already have my domain all added over here, or if you want you can add multiple domains, whatsoever domain you want. So this is my page. I already have my landing page ready with me so that I can show you all the tools. So you just have to copy the domain name and paste it over there and click on save. Once it's done, just go back to dashboard, click on add pixel. So we'll have to add this small line of code pixel. So just click on copy, your code will be copied and you can send it to your developer or you can manually install it in the header of footer of your landing pages. Now go back to dashboard. Now comes the time like where you can create your own campaigns. So you have two options. Either you can click create campaign here or here. So we'll just go by clicking campaign, like create campaign. So in this section, this tab, they'll show you all the tools that you have with you. So we have tab messaging, hello bar plus timer, central timer, mobile vibrator, back button redirection. We have so many amazing tools in this. So I'll show you how can you use tab messaging. So first, click on campaigns, tab messaging. Over here, you'll have to enter the campaign name. But just to be sure, like this is just for you. It's for you to identify the campaigns after you created this. It's not going to be visible to your visitors. So I'll name it as tab message demo. Click next. So over here, you'll get two different options. Either you can enter your own custom message. For example, I'll enter hi there. Click on add. So your custom message is already added. If you want some messages from the predefined list, so you can just click on plus over here, plus icon. So these are the messages that is like added from the predefined gallery. The second option that you'll have to do is click on favicon and select the type of favicon that emojis basically that you want to display. I pretty much like this one, or I can change it to flower. So I have changed the favicon as well. Now the timing part. So in the timing, you'll have to enter a time like for the first message. It's like after how much time you want to display your first message. And the time interval between two messages. It's like pretty clear. This sound option. So you can enable the sound notification as well. So I'll enable it. Now I'll go to trigger. So trigger is something that is really important. It shows like on which page you want to display your campaigns. So in my case, like I have this website conversey.com. Under conversey.com, I have so many pages, but I want to display it on this particular page. So I'll just copy the URL and paste it in the include section. So you have two different options. Either you can include or exclude. Okay, so I have added the domain in include section and click on save. So my campaign is saved here. Just click OK. Go to your landing page. I'll just refresh it. I think like our campaign should be active by now. So I'll just wait for the page to load. It's loaded. Now we'll change the tab. So, okay, now you can see it's showing our messages, right? Hey, don't miss out, don't forget. So this is the tool tab messaging. Now we'll go and create some other campaigns as well. So second campaign that I'm going to create, let's go with hello bar plus timer. So in hello bar plus timer, again we'll have to enter the campaign name. So I'll enter hello bar plus timer demo. Click on next. So in this section, we'll get three different options. What's the layout of your timer and hello bar that you want? So I'll click on preview. So okay, so this is the second option. This is the third option. I say I'll go with the third one. Now I'll click on text. So in the text, what text you want? So right now they have mentioned grab it right now. Coupon expires in. You can change it anything. So I'll just change few text. Hurry now. Offer is expired. Okay, coupon expires in. Okay, we have changed the text. If you want, you can make it bold, unbold. You can change the color. So you can do all this stuff from here. So if you want to change the color text, it can be changed easily, but still we'll keep it white itself. And so comes the third part, CTA, that is call to action. So what call to action you want? You want get access now, or if you want to change it to shop now, you can do it anything, but I'll go with get access now only. Then in CT redirection, so we have three different options in CT redirection. One is redirect, so it will normally take you to a different page. Then redirect in a new tab. It will take you to a new tab and redirect users over there. Third option is scroll. So scroll on the same page. So we'll go with redirect in a new tab. Let's enter the URL google.com. That is done. Now in the timer section, you'll have to, again, you'll get three different options: date and time based, cookie based, evergreen based. So depending upon your preference, you can change the time and all those settings. So I won't change much. I'll just change the time so that our timer is active. It's showing 1 day 23 hours. So that is done. What do you want to do when the timer expires? So redirect, hide, or show static timer as 0. We have these three options. So I'll just keep it as show static central timer at 0. Now, in the styling section, you can change the background of your page and do a lot of stuff. So I'll just change the color. If you want, you can change all the stuff. And then in the trigger section, again, you'll have to enter the URL of your landing page. So I've entered the URL. Now click on save. The magic is done. Our Hello World Plus timer campaign is active now. Let's go to the page and refresh it once again. Here comes our Hello World Plus timer. I hope you can see that. Hurry now, coupon expires in, and the timing showing timer is active. If I'm clicking on get access now, it is taking me to a new page that is going to Converzee. And apart from that, our time messaging is already active. I'll show you one more tool. Let's go with exit intent. So exit intent is basically a pop-up which opens up when someone tries to open like leave a website. So I'll just name it as exit intent demo. Next. I think the text is already like predefined. Whatever text is there, we'll go ahead with this. We won't change a lot of stuff. In the image section, you can you have this option to upload your manual image as well. So right now, this is your exit intent is going to look like. So if you want to change it, I'll just select a file, upload any random file, and okay, the file is completed, uploaded. This is how it's going to look now. We have added an image in between, and now in the CTA you have again those three options. What exactly you want. So you can enter any URL, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, I'll just go with google.com. In the style section, again, you have this option to enable background, or you want, you can reset it. Okay, disable it. So we'll just go with the default one. We'll just add the trigger because that's the most important part. I'll just copy the URL again and paste it over there. Click on save. So our campaign is ready now again. So we'll just go to landing page and refresh. So our page is refreshed. We have our hello world already working. I'll just so when I just moved away the cursor from this page, this pop-up automatically comes up. So this is it. This is the landing page that I was talking about. This is what exit intent is. So I hope you understood how can we use this whole tool. Thank you very much and have a nice day.